Hello everyone, I have just back from the exam and today I would like to share you another Jailbreak store. It is Saily Store. It has a modern user interface like Sileo as well. And if you want to install it on Cydia or Sileo, it is okay. And you can go to Sileo if you have Sileo, or you can go to Cydia and then you can click on sources, click on add, and then add this repo. I also include it in the description. So click on add repo and then you can go ahead and install Saily Store. Click on get and then confirm. And after it is done, you can click on done and then you will find the Saily Store from the home screen. You can open it and it has a new modern interface. So you have discovery, you have manage and you have search and you have world, and it will coming soon. And for manage, you can click to add sources or you can edit the source. And thanks for watching. Hope you like this video and see you in the next one.